Hi, this is Scott. We're back on the show floor after a slow year of no shows. We're glad to be here.
It is so exciting, as Scott was saying, to be here at World of Concrete 2021, to be around everybody. Corporate travel bans are definitely lifting. So we're excited to walk around and talk with exhibitors, talk to attendees, and just get back to face-to-face. I'm here in the North Hall walking through World of Concrete. There are a ton of attendees here, and it's the largest trade show that we've had in over a year. So what a milestone to be here and to feel the energy of face-to-face and people getting back to business with trade shows, which is great. The Las Vegas Convention Center is GBAC certified, so that's the Global Biorisk Advisory Council. So definitely everybody here is taking hygiene and cleanliness very seriously. They are cleaning all of the hard surfaces continuously. Doorknobs, any flat surface, anything that people would be touching, they are cleaning constantly. We have hand washing stations all over the place. There are plenty of Purell dispensers everywhere. Everything is meant to be touch-free when it comes to exchanging business cards or even the badges. That's a big difference in this show versus prior shows would be that you don't have a paper badge. So what you're using is really a QR code that is on your phone inside of the World of Concrete app, which is pretty nice. As you're walking in and out of the event, they're doing temperature scans. They're checking automatically, so it's very smooth. They're doing these kind of scans to huge groups of people as they're walking through the doorway coming into the event, which is really nice. And as you come through, they mark your arm with a green band. Masks are not required at the show. You see that I'm not wearing a mask, which is really nice to not have to walk around and worry about that. They are recommended though. Definitely the majority of people that I've seen at the show aren't wearing masks. There are people that feel more comfortable doing so, and the show embraces that and recommends that they do so, which is great to see. So I'm back from the show. Definitely the procedures that they had in place made me feel safe, right? So it was great to be there. It was awesome to be meeting with everybody face to face. Spoke with a lot of exhibitors, a lot of attendees, and that was definitely like one of the key points I kept hearing was how great it was to be back and meeting with people live in person. So definitely loved that. Another thing that I kept hearing over and over from different exhibitors as I met with them was that the attendance was definitely lighter than past World of Concrete shows, but that the quality of the lead was higher, right? So that was great to see. People weren't coming into the booth so much looking for pens and hats and different things like that. They were ready to do business. And I think that is an amazing analogy for the trade show industry and live events as well, is that everybody is ready to get back to business.